Well, Koiki Media, bringing the world closer to your doorsteps. Let me also quickly give us reasons why we want a exit out of Nigeria. First and foremost, we are free. We are one people, one culture, one language. Yoruba Nimi Omoluabi, Yoruba nation we stand. Yoruba freedom now, Oduduwa nation we stand. Yoruba are over 60 million. It is better to free ourselves from where we went wrong and solve our problems and speak with one voice. Looking at each other faces among states to lift up the less ones and turn our nation, Yoruba, to a competitive nation in order to achieve better goals. That is good life for our children, youth, children yet unborn, to become a great nation where they are of the same native cultures and traditions. Reasons for Yoruba to exit from Nigeria. Yoruba tribe was a nation and a country before the 1914 amalgamation. Nigeria was forced upon us over 100 years. This created injustice against Yorubas by the Fulanis, causing increase on terrorism and banditry, killings, raping, kidnapping, racial abuse to our sisters, fathers from their farmland. Fulanis are enslaving us in our land. They are occupying our position in the Yoruba province in all the government offices, port authority, immigration services, customs, military, police force, and many more. Nigeria has failed us and is now on fire. We need our freedom, and that's why I said we are better off, to disintegrate out of Nigeria. Once again, this is Koiki Media, bringing the world closer to your doorstep.